How to apply YouTube Partner Program in YouTube Studio and eligibility. Please subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added. Here, YouTube has created a more accurate calculation of your video watch time in your YouTube channel for eligibility. There is no change in 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers criteria in the last 12 months. Unlike the classic Creator Studio version, where there was confusion about private, unlisted, and public watch hours, in YouTube Studio, YouTube has added an option where only the public watch hours is calculated and updated frequently for you to see under monetization page in YouTube Studio page. Here, you can see both the subscriber count and the watch hours both keep updating frequently every day. In my channel, the subscriber count has crossed the minimum of 1,000 limit, while the watch hours is yet to reach, maybe another 15 to 20 days time. Your screen may be different from mine because I had already been under the YouTube monetization program prior to March 31st, 2018. So once my channel reaches the watch hours threshold of 4,000 hours, automatically I will be in the partner program queue for approval and reviewed according to YouTube site policies and guidelines. Let me show one of my friend's new channel started just a few days ago. Here, there are only 3 subscribers and 0 watch hours count. They can apply for YouTube Partner Program when the channel reaches at least 1,000 subscriber mark and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Meanwhile, they can click this Notify Me when I am eligible button to be reminded when they reach the eligibility threshold. Note: when a YouTube channel is monetized, YouTube team has the right to remove monetization from channels if the channel is inactive with no video uploads or not updating or adding community posts for 6 months or more. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.